Hey! Are you a business owner? Do you know about digital marketing? If you are planning for digital marketing, then you should know all of these. Initially, you must design responsive and SEO-friendly website. Your website loading time should be optimized. Don't copy contents and images from other sites. You must use your own words and images. You should install SSL certificates. You should register and verify in Google My Business. You should use proper schema. Go for SEO packages that will give better ranking in Google. Go for Facebook and other social media advertisements. So, are you ready to get a website with all these features? Log on to www.orangedish.org. Also, you can mail us to info@orangedish.org. And you can call us +91 9809 55 88 55. Thank you.